Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 9 for SSC Board, chapter number 7, Mensuration. Now, in this lecture, I am going to explain you some new topic, some formulas for area of segment. Okay, try to understand what is segment and area of segment. So, suppose this is a circle with center O having radius r, and if AB is a chord, okay, intersect circle at point A and B, then AXB is the shaded portion is segment. So this segment is called minus segment, and this is another segment. But this chord divides this circle into two parts. So smaller part is called major segment, and larger part is called major sector, and smaller is called minor sector segment. Okay. Now area of segment is equal to, suppose if you want to find the area of segment AXB, then is equal to area of area of sector O AXB minus area of triangle, this triangle OAB gives you area of this segment. And one more formula is here. R squares area of segment AXB is equal to R square into pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. You can use this formula when theta is 30, 45, 90, 60 means standard angle, because you know in trigonometry you know standard formulas, values of standard formulas. Okay, so you know sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. So when these angles are there, that time you use this formula. Okay, now try to understand. I will explain you some example from practice set 7.4, page number 159. Okay, question number 1. A is the center of circle, angle ABC. This angle is equal to 45 degree given, and AC, that means radius, is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter given. Find area of segment BXC. Okay, now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 45 degree. Side AC is equal to side AB. This side and this side is equal because these are what radius of same circle, and therefore this angle and this angle is equal. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 45, and hence this remaining angle, that is angle A, is equal to 90 degree. So area of segment is equal to, now here area A is angle A is equal to 90 degree, and therefore I use this formula. So area of segment BXC is equal to R square into bracket theta pi upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. So is equal to 49 into 2. So 7, radius is equal to 7 given, 49 into 2 into bracket 90 into pi upon 360 minus sin 90 upon 2. So is equal to 49 into 2 into bracket 3.14 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 49 into 2 into bracket. This you simplify. 3.14 minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 49. If you simplify this, you will get 27.93. So area of segment BXC is equal to 27.93 cm square. Okay, now we can try this question by some other method. Okay, so method number 2. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 45. Side AB is equal to side AC is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter given. Angle A is equal to 90. And therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. So is equal to, this is right angle triangle and therefore base and height. So this is a base and this is a height. So is give it, if you simplify this, you will get 49 cm square. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 49 cm square, and then you find the area of sector. So area of sector A dash BXC is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square is equal to 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. So if you simplify this, you will get 77 cm square, and hence area of segment BXC is equal to area of sector BXC minus area of triangle ABC, and is equal to 77 minus 49 gives you 28 cm square, and therefore area of segment BXC is equal to 28 cm square. So if you use any formula, you will get same answer. Okay, slight difference is there. Okay, question number 2. O is the center of circle, measure arc PQR. So this arc PQR is equal to 60 degree. Now measure arc PQR is equal to central angle, and therefore central angle is equal to 60 degree. OP is equal to 10 centimeter given. Find area of shaded region, that is area of segment. Okay, pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Solution. Measure arc PQR is equal to 60 degree, and therefore central angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Radius R is equal to 10 centimeter given. In triangle OPR, angle O is equal to 60. So this angle is equal to 60 degree, and you know this and this side is equal, therefore this angle and this angle is equal, and therefore this plus this is equal to 180. So if you simplify this, you will get this angle is equal to 60 and this angle is also equal to 60, and hence it is equilateral triangle. Okay, so in triangle OPR, angle O is equal to 60 degree given. Side OP is equal to side OR, radii of same circle, and therefore angle P is equal to angle R, opposite angles of congruent sides, and therefore now in triangle, angle O plus angle P plus angle R is equal to 180, and therefore twice angle P is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120, and therefore angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 60 degree, and hence triangle OPR is an equilateral triangle, and therefore area of triangle OPR is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square gives you root 3 upon 4 into 10 into 10. If you simplify this, you will get 100 root 3 upon 4, and now here root 3 is given, so substitute 100 into 1.73 upon 4 is equal to 173 upon 4 gives you 43.25, and therefore area of triangle OPR is equal to 43.25 cm square. Now area of sector O dash PQR is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square gives you 60 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, so is equal to 1 upon 6 into 314 gives you 157 upon 3, and if you simplify this you will get 52.33 cm square, and therefore area of shaded region, that is segment, is equal to area of sector O dash PQR minus area of triangle OPR is equal to 52.33 minus 43.25 gives you 9.08 cm square, and hence area of shaded region is equal to 9.08 cm square. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.